Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car batteries for hot weather on Amazon. High temperatures can wreak havoc on our vehicles and drain our car's battery faster than in other conditions. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Optima Batteries Red Top Starting Battery. The Optima Red Top Starting Battery is compact yet powerful and heavy-duty. It provides 12 volts of power and is cleverly designed to fit in tight secure spaces. The little battery is capable of providing around 720 cold cranking amps and features dual SAE and GM posts for maximum output and power. Of course, when it comes to batteries, you will want to keep an eye on the amount of reserve capacity they have, too. The Optima Red Top includes about 90 minutes of backup power that can be tapped into. It is also designed to function in all types of weather. No matter if it's cold, rainy, snowy, or hot outside, the battery is dependable. One of its best features is that it is rated to be 15 times more resistant to vibrations while traveling. For a smaller battery, it is going to be quite heavy. It weighs around 33 pounds, which can make it much more difficult to lug around and install. The battery is also rather expensive when you compare it to others available on the market. Number 2. Adelco Professional BCI Group 48 Battery. The Adelco Professional BCI Group 48 battery employs an internal partition to prevent spills. Coupled with its well-ventilated design, this battery provides excellent performance. It uses a dense negative paste to increase the battery's life. This solution lets electricity flow unencumbered, maximizing the power it offers. Another key benefit is this battery's effective method of circulating acid. It prevents overheating despite continual use in warm conditions. By incorporating a unique cap, the battery avoids leaks and spills. It also has a sturdy exterior that prevents damage from vibrations and impact. This battery works best in warm settings. It can be tricky to charge in colder temperatures. With that in mind, it's ideally suited to summer use. However, provided you keep it warm by parking indoors in cold weather, it is a reliable choice. Number 3. Optima Batteries Red Top Starting Battery. The Optima Batteries Red Top Starting Battery is capable of reserving a capacity of 100 minutes for constant performance, so it's ready to work in emergency situations. This device features a polypropylene case that is optimized to work even in extremely bad weather conditions. This battery is perfect for heavy use thanks to its leak-proof and high-power qualities. It also provides a strong and clean power source with improved safety features for you and the environment. However, there have been some difficulties with the warranty coverage offered by the manufacturer. Consider this when you make a purchase. Number 4. Interstate Batteries Automotive Battery. The Interstate Batteries Automotive Battery 12V63A, Group 34-24, Pure Lead AM, Deep Cycle, Top Post Automobile Replacement Battery, MTZ34, has several features that make it a reliable replacement battery option for vehicles. The AM battery technology used in this product makes it maintenance-free, which means that you do not have to worry about adding water or checking its acid levels. This battery is designed to provide reliable performance in various driving conditions, including extreme heat or cold weather. The deep cycle battery technology used in this product makes it ideal for vehicles that require frequent starts and stops, such as trucks and minivans. But this battery more expensive than some other replacement battery options in the market. Number 5. XS Power Series High Output Battery. Perhaps the most powerful battery of the lot, this XS Power Series High Output Battery is incredibly mighty. Set at a premium price range, the XS Power Series has 12 volts of power, 1000 cold cranking amps, and 65 Ah. It's an absorbed glass matte battery and built to be spill-proof due to its sealed design. The large and hefty battery is also constructed to better withstand vibrations and bumps. It's also universally designed to be mounted in just about any position you so choose. If your vehicle doesn't have enough space to fit it one way, you may want to consider trying another way. However, as we stated earlier, the battery is heavy, weighing close to 50 pounds. This will make it much more awkward and straining to mount in place, especially if the space you are looking at is tight. You may also need larger bolts or clamps to hold it in place due to its larger size. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.